Hello everybody, we are up in the Highlands, North Carolina. We're gonna cruise down Main Street so y'all can take a gander. Look at that beautiful church. We are at Bridal Veil Falls up in the Highlands. And I figured I'd do a little video of it. This is part of Papa Scrap's Big Adventure. This is the sign right here that says Bridal Veil Falls, Scenic Area, Highlands National Forest. Okay, we're gonna go down here and see if we can find the dry falls, and we'll be back. All right, we're taking the steps down to the dry falls. It's a good little piece down these steps. So always make sure you hold in the handrails, because it is, and it can be, a little wet. Better to be safe than sorry. Are y'all with me or not? Huh? This is Dry Falls. We're gonna walk down the steps. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
How are y'all doing this morning? Good, good. Good morning, good morning. It's a little walk down here, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Is that not beautiful? Do what now? Oh yeah. And I had a heart attack on Good Friday.
Really?
Yeah.
You okay?
They put 2 stents in, and I was back at it on Tuesday. This happened on Friday. Back at it on Tuesday. Hello, young lady. How you doing? This is my little granddaughter. Her name is Gracie.
That's my daughter. Her name is Grace.
Grace?
That's Freya, and this is Scott.
Nice to meet y'all. I'm starting a new YouTube page called Papa Scrap's Big Adventure. Scrap Big Adventure. This will be one of the first videos that's going on that page. Look at the puppy.
One of these days, I'm getting one of those.
I got 4 of those. So, go ahead, young people.
Is that video stabilization and all that stuff?
I go to CapCut and do my videos and put them all on there and all that. Yep. Yep. I've got a regular page called Papa Scrap, and I got right at 2,000 subscribers. Yep.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. God bless you. Be careful going down the steps. You too. You see the puppy? Yes, she's getting to pet the puppy. This is her first camping trip and her first trip up here. All right, ease on down. What you want to do a lot of times is hold the rail if you can hold the rail, because this is wet and you could slip and fall. Okay? Ease along. Good morning, good morning. Hey, you need to get behind me because you get right under my feet. Thank you. Now, do you want one with all 3 of y'all standing there? Nope. All right, y'all should go down there and walk underneath it. Hey, wait until y'all go on across that way, on in towards Franklin. All you got's a wall and a road. And the river. It gets close. All right. Be careful. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful?